Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some sauteed beet greens. These are the greens that come with the beetroot when you buy it. They're great. You can chop them off, rinse them. Can't really eat them raw, but then you can saute them in a pan, give you a nice, inexpensive, healthy, either have it as a side or put it into something with some more substance to it and make it a main. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I've already rinsed and given these beet greens an initial chopping. I'm just going to chop them up a little bit more. Next thing, we've got our aromatics, your onion, your ginger, your hot pepper, and your garlic. These are going to go into the pan, into the hot oil to start giving it some flavor. Just want to chop it fine so that it cooks quickly and so that the flavor gets dispersed. It doesn't have to be perfect. Put that onion in. Alright, let's get these other guys ready. So ginger. When you cut ginger, it's good to get the skin off first. So I'm just doing it like this. If you want to, you can use a grinder, or a grater I should say, to really shred it up. But I don't want to have to clean my grater, so I'm just going to chop it. So right now we're just getting the edge off, trying to save as much of the ginger inside as possible. Alright, and now we can chop it up. Now we're going to do the pepper. This is a serrano pepper, but you can use any kind of hot pepper you want, or you can leave it out. I like the texture and the taste of fresh pepper. Super inexpensive. If you want it to be hot, leave the seeds in. If you want to have it more medium to mild heat, just scrape them out like that. And then give it a slice. Garlic time. So we're just going to smash these on the side. And then chop these up. Okay. So now you can see those onions are starting to simmer, starting to saute a little bit. You can hear them going. They're smelling really good right now. The onion combining with the coconut oil. And we want to keep it at a medium heat because we don't want them to get, crispy. We just want them to get cooked, and so you can kind of start to see through them. So they're not there yet, but they're going to go a while longer. While that happens, we're going to add the garlic, the ginger, you're going to start to smell that, and the hot pepper. Okay, so now it's starting to cook down. So I'm going to add the beet greens. Put them all in there. Making sure it's not too hot. And I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to add some garlic powder, some black pepper, paprika, give it another stir. Coconut aminos, it's a whole 30 substitute for soy sauce. And now it's nice and cooked down, so we're ready to plate it. Just put some cashews on the top and some pumpkin seeds. Add some sunflower seeds as well. And there you go. If you like it, please remember to click the subscribe button, and thanks again.